People are either afraid to or will misuse the dash, or they confuse it with a hyphen. But here are 5 use cases. So there are actually 2 types of dashes. There's an M dash and an N dash. The first case is replacing awkward punctuation, like a pair of parentheses or a phrase with multiple commas. Take this sentence, for example. 3 of us, Alice, Bob, and I, went to the store. Now, Alice, Bob, and I is already a phrase surrounded by commas and separated by commas, which can make it confusing to read. So we use the M dash. 3 of us, Alice, Bob, and I, went to the store to alleviate that confusion. The second case is to provide amplifying information. So if you were to write a list, you might consider using a colon like this. We will travel to a few places this summer, London, Paris, Madrid. You can actually use the M dash to add extra emphasis to the list. It's also a little less formal, like so. We will travel to a few places this summer, London, Paris, Madrid. Now the third case is to omit information. Now this case is less commonly seen, but you can use 3 M dashes in a row to replace omitted information. Like in this sentence, the president traveled to yesterday. We know he traveled, we don't know where. Now the fourth case is for ranges. So you can use an N dash to indicate time span or a range of numbers, like business hours are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Finally is to denote a connection. So for terms that are already hyphenated or are a 2-word phrase as a modifier, you can use an N dash to connect them, like the pro-choice, pro-life argument or a Nobel Prize winning scientist. Follow me for more communication tips.